The 2000 Aston Martin V8 Vantage Volante Special Edition short chassis. Finished in royal blue with Parchment and Pacific Blue hides and matching hood. Equipped with all factory V600 power, transmission, suspension, braking options and a Nardi wood-rimmed steering wheel. Similar in appearance to the 1997-99 model year V8 Volantes, the Special Edition Supercharged Vantage Volantes were uniquely constructed on the shorter wheelbase chassis architecture and mechanical specification of the then production Supercharged V550 Vantage Coupe. This exclusive model became known within Aston Martin as the short chassis Vantage Volante, due to the chassis itself having a 200mm or 7.8-inch shorter wheelbase and similarly shorter overall than the production Volante of the day. The Vantage Volante Special Edition is one of a series of 8 manufactured and delivered to persistent VIP clients in period, whose deep pockets and determination ultimately convinced Aston Martin to build and supply these ultimate Vantage Volantes. Each car was individually specified by their selected lucky owners, with just 5 examples eventually being constructed in right-hand drive to UK specifications and 3 built in left-hand drive for export markets. The highly specified and tastefully finished example we're delighted to offer was completed and signed off by Newport Pagnell's dedicated build team before being delivered to its first owner in July 2000. Subsequently, all servicing and maintenance has been carried out by Aston Martin Works in Newport Pagnell, where the car was constructed, and on one occasion by Aston Martin Mayfair. Purchased from its second owner in 2005, the new, long-standing Aston Martin enthusiast owner instructed Aston Martin Works to complete a full program of factory V600 upgrades, concurrently with carrying out a comprehensive maintenance service, regardless of the low mileage covered. Some 12 manufacturer scheduled services have been carried out to date over the limited 3,800 miles the car has now covered in total. When not in use on the roads, this car has been kept in ideal garaging whilst being regularly run and attended to by professionals. A complete leather-bound history file accompanies this car, which includes a dedicated Aston Martin produced photographic build book, a Chief Executive Officer signed and slipcase protected build certificate, the original owner's handbook with stamped service pages, copies of service and maintenance invoices, and related correspondence. Also included is the original manufacturer supplied tool roll, vehicle jack, warning triangle, and spare keys. Additionally, an attractive model-relevant registration number is included. In unblemished and concours condition, this exceptionally rare V8 Vantage Volante Special Edition, equipped with the renowned 600 horsepower and 600 foot-pounds of torque twin supercharged V8 engine and associated upgrade, symbolizes a pinnacle of Aston Martin achievement in period, being manufactured as the coach-building era of production drew to a close at the Newport Pagnell factory in 2000. This magnificent and important car is available for viewing and inspection now at our Hertfordshire showrooms.